Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install Fortran on a Chromebook. So the first thing we need to do is enable the Linux development environment. To do that, I'm going to click on the launcher here and find my settings. Click on Settings, go to the left-hand side, go to Advanced, click on that, and this tab should expand and you'll see Developers. I'm going to click on that, and where I see Linux Development Environment, I'm going to click Turn On and then Next. It'll give me a username which is based off of my email, I believe. I'm going to keep that as is, and a recommended disk size which can be changed later. I'm going to keep that as is. I'm going to click Install, and that's going to take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. I want to make sure everything is up to date, so I'm going to type sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands, which means and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. And I'm going to use a -y flag so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. I'm going to hit enter. This will take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, now that the Linux development environment is enabled, we can go ahead and install Fortran. To do that, we'll type sudo apt install gfortran and hit enter. It's going to ask us to use some additional space, so I can type Y and hit enter. Okay, we can check our version of gfortran by typing gfortran space -v and hitting enter, and we get all this information here, and we see we have GCC equals Fortran, and the GCC version is 10.2.1. So now we can begin programming in Fortran on our Chromebook. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.